Hi guys, thanks for watching my video and welcome to my new channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you're just new to visiting. Today we have a nail techniques haul. This was just after Boxing Day and I'm opening it up, and just as you can see before this clear cup liquid, this is actually to hold drill bits and to put the sanitizer in or whatever like that. Just before that you saw the flower type swatch sticks, which I'm going to use for like conad stamping and different kind of nail art. That's what I'm going to use those for. They also included this Coco and Claire. It's a chrome powder. It's an iridescent sort of powder, and I believe it's called Infinity. It's got kind of like a nice blue, I want to say mermaid or unicorn kind of iridescence to it. And that's not something that I had in my collection, so I was quite happy about it. Yeah, you can see the blue there. I totally need to do my nails too. I also got some Fuzion drill bits. The coarse one was, I think, the safety bit, and then I also got the cone bit. That was another swag, was a bag of glitter. And then I'm pulling out the 100, 180 files. I got it's a 10 or 20 pack. And then I also got some jelly stamper polishes. This is the Christmas collection. Comes with 4 in there. I have not tried them yet, but I will be making a video of how they come out. So next time I make a video, it definitely won't be this long. This was actually the first video that I made, but I didn't upload it, so just bear with me. I also have another tripod coming, thank goodness. And those are the iridescent polishes there. And then I got a bunch of the clear out colors and glitter collections. These were on for $5. I should have gotten more, and I'm really kicking myself the why I didn't. They got new packaging, so they were clearing all the old ones, and I wish I would have gotten more of them. There's Hopscotch and Birthday Girl. These ones are UV LED. Sandcastles. Psych. Goddess. Espresso. That one's almost like a glitter actually, so it's in between a glitter and a colors. That one's Flannel Jammies. Blueberry. Black. Always need black. Frost Yourself. You're Invited. That one's a really nice one. Another blueberry. I accidentally ordered 2 of them. Promenade. And then I went and got a Lash and Brows tinting kit. So I'm gonna have some fun with that and show you guys how that works too eventually here. I really like these haul videos. It's kind of like you get your shopping out of your system and you don't really have to even spend the money. These are the first clear jelly stamper plates I've gotten. This one is kind of like their general French stamps, and the other one here is with some words on it. It's got like beauty and joy, happiness, all that kind of stuff. I thought that would be really cool with the nude polishes that I bought in this haul as well, and some geometrical shapes. Those are really in this year. I'll be sure to test those out too. And my bill that I'm gonna hide from myself. there's the bemi or bemi beauty box. I got the set of 12, but they accidentally only sent me 6 of them. I was gonna make a video right after I got this, and I was excited to do it, but I couldn't with all the other 6 missing. It actually took me a minute to even notice that they were missing. And this bag here is one of their surprise bags, and they were on for 20 bucks. And these ones had a value of $60. So those were our ring cups that you can put pigments in, or you can even put gels in them too. While you're working, you don't have to reach over, you have them right on your hand. And then I got some swag terry towels there from Fuzion. Nail Techniques is the home of where they make Fuzion. I got a palette. These retail for 10 bucks. And then I got more of the flower swatch sticks, but in the clear. Those will be great for doing videos on, to have all the different nail art. And I got one of these, it's a UV LED portable lamp that you plug into a USB port. And I actually have 2 of those, so I'll be giving one of them away as a giveaway after my first 100 subscribers. I got some Nail Techniques base coat. And everything I'm pulling out of this bag was only 20 bucks. And there's a Koko and Claire chrome powder, just their regular original chrome powder. And then there's 2 Orly nail treatments. One is a tough cookie, and the other one is a strengthening top coat. And then I also got a couple glitters in with the bag. Those are like usually $3 to $5 each. That's not something that I had in my collection either, so it's gonna be good to try something different. This is the first time that I had bought one of their mystery bags, and I'm definitely gonna do it again, because you know, it's really nice to go outside of your comfort zone and buy something that you normally wouldn't kind of reach for. And then there was some gold flakes that I just pulled out previously. And that's the tough cookie I was talking about there. And then I got a bunch of these little mini Orly polishes too. There's about 5 or 6 of them in the bag. And then there's another sparkles. Oh, and the Christmas decals and foils. There was a bunch of those too. There was a big stack of them in there actually. I didn't have any of those this year, so they'll be good for next year. And there's more than Orly polishes there. I think they just threw a bunch of random colors in. There's more of them. And those are great if you do manicures, or if you just want to give them away as gifts, like for whatever, or use them on yourself. Yeah, they do these grab bags throughout the year. You can order them online at www.nailtechniques.com. You do need to be a professional to shop there and to get an account with them. They do education classes there as well, and they do have an online program now, so I would check them out if you don't live close by and you want to get your nail courses going. Hit them up.